Hi guys, I'm Shawin James joining with the Electric channel. Today I have brought you a special project. So it's the Obo Arts, a project that was created by me. So the Obo Arts is a project similar to Turtle Arts which we had in the Robotic Gens Foundation pathway. So currently I'm doing the robotics pathway as you guys know. So I'm working with the Obo car kit nowadays. So when I was doing the Rev the Wheels project, I got a really cool idea. So it was drawing arts with the Obo car. I named it as Obo Arts, and yeah, I did documentation, and as the final step, now I'm publishing it with you guys. So Obo Arts is a project that we are gonna draw arts using the Obo car. So how I did this is I attached a pin to the Obo car, and then I coded the Obo car to go in circle while moving in a circle. So if you don't understand that, roll the clip. Okay, I think you saw the clips. That's how I managed to draw arts with the Obo car. So that's how I move in a circle while drawing circles. So I managed to draw flower kind arts using this Obo car. So you can try squares, triangles, or whatever shapes you like, or maybe another design. So like there were some things before drawing this art you have to check. So sometimes when drawing those art, it matters on the tire width, the friction that you get from the floor, and there are a lot of things to consider. So considering those, I created those codes for my Obo car. I'll give you them in the description and the pin comment as a documentation, so you can refer to them. And but they won't work exactly for your Obo cars or any of your Obo car kind things, because they were actually made for my view. But somehow it might work, it might not work. I'm not guaranteeing that your code will work, but creativity is open for everyone. So you can create your own code and run it in your own car of the Obo car. So I hope you guys create some creative videos, and you can email them to me. I'll watch them and show your videos in my next videos. So I'll add my email in the description as well. So doors of creativity are open for everyone. Hope you guys do some cool stuff.